busy typing away with his thumbs. It's clearly a phone. It has a white charging cable plugged in. Oi, oi! WN23GPV. What you doing there, mate? What you doing on your phone? What? PHV drive. I think you've just thrown your private hire license in the bin. Because I'm going to report it and you'll get 6 points. GF20PMX. That was a well dodgy bit of riding. The Mercedes, man. Yeah, he's left a big WhatsApp gap. She has. AF69NVC. Just rolling along using the phone without a care in the world. Maybe we're going to have a little wait up here for her. There. We're going to walk across here because that's a contraflow cycle lane. And she's still holding her phone. I can see her right thumb is down near the bin button. Yep, she's swiping with her left index finger, I think it is. Typing away. AF69NVC. Yeah, why are you hiding your phone now, huh? I see you typing on your phone, going all the way along there. Don't touch your phone. Yeah, but you're not allowed to hold it. Yeah, you have to get a mount. You can't touch it. I am going to report it, I'm afraid. You know, if she hadn't been using it so extensively, I don't think she was using her sat-nav anyway, despite what she says. Because she'd been typing on it somewhere back there and I waited for her to catch up, and yeah, that's just far too egregious an amount of phone use whilst moving for me to ignore. I think you should put your phone away, sir. Engine is running, seatbelt is on, you're scrolling through a WhatsApp, and what's the number plate? 33GTT. Even here you're not allowed on the phone, ma'am. You know that. Sorry? Yeah, but you're in a live lane of traffic. You're still considered to be driving legally. LC15LFA. Get off your phone. Get off your phone. GF64WFJ. I can see a clearly lit up screen there. I wonder if that's visible at home. LM21VMG. Almost hit the bus. And the bus steered out of his way. I mean, I'm so tempted to go, but I can't. I'm sure there's more. I just can't be asked to try and catch them all. I'm tired, I want to go home. Huh. It's a talking one. Oh dear, too late. You know what's going to happen now, right? I'm going to report you to the police for talking on your phone. I could see the screen was lit up. Yeah. I'm not joking. I've reported like maybe 2,000 of you in 6.5 years. So he kicks it up again and he goes on talking. It's going to be very expensive for you. Double your insurance.